Hello, Sci community. This setup is our simulation 007. We have four users here: A and B, C and D. A and B are in the same subnet. C and D are in a different subnet. So the questions here are: can user A and B communicate? And C and D can also user A reach user C as well as user B? Those are the questions. So how to simulate that on the packet tracer as you have here? You can just search on YouTube. You will find video how to deal with packet tracer, how to build this setup as I build right here. Myself, I just said in one of my previous video, I never use packet tracer. This is my first time. And if I can use it, then you can also use, all right? This setup, you can send me an email. I will email you the setup as it is. You just need to open it. Once packet tracer is installed on your PC, you can just double click on the file. When it is saved on your PC, you can double click on it and open it with packet tracer once packet tracer is installed. Okay, for example, when you want to have a PC, a switch, this is a switch, and a PC, you just go down here, you choose a PC right there, and you can choose the connector. This is the copper. You choose any port of the switch, and you connect to, not to the USB, but to the fast Ethernet. This is the network interface, network card. Okay, when it's connected like that, you can then do the following. What we are going to do with PC A? PC A, look at those informations here. IP, this is the IP address, and that's the mask. We should assign to PC A those information as written here. So we click on PC A, we go here to IP configuration, we say 192.168.10.1 as written here, no typo. The mask field, it has recognized that it's 24 mask, and it is filling 255.255.255.0. We can close. We go here under command prompt. We open it and we say here IP config. What do we want to achieve with IP config? What this command does is to show us exactly the network parameter of our PC. You see what we have typed in previously, 192.168.10.1, and the mask as written here. Okay, no typo. So for PCB, C and D I've already done offline. The switch is actually still blank, not configured at all. I say enable. I can use the shortcut, either AN or I can say enable. And I say show run. You can see here the switch is not configured at all. Okay, those are the physical ports of the switch. As you can see right here, those are the interfaces. Okay, under the CLI, nothing is configured. The switch as if you just purchase a new switch from your vendor and you connect the PCs. So let's look right there. The question was, can PC A, which has the IP address 192.168.10, look right here, .10.1, ping PC B IP config. We say ping, and we give here the IP address of our receiver, the PCB, 192.168.10.2. Okay, if PCA can reach PCB, then the ping will be successful. Look right there, it is pingable. Okay? Can PC C reach PC D? Ping 192.168.20.2. Yes, look right there. It is reachable. But can PCA reach PC C? That was our second question. I will say no. Why not? Because they are in different subnet. Just think of it like they are in different rooms and the doors are closed. Means if you are in different room, door are closed, you cannot talk to the other person in the other room. Okay? They cannot communicate with between each other. Can it reach PCD? Of course not. They cannot. The question is, can PCB reach PCC and can PCB reach PCD? That is the question. You have to check that in your simulation environment. Check that question that your simulation environment and let me know let us know in the comment. And you can also tell us why you think PCB was able to communicate with PCC and D or was not able to communicate with PCC and D. This was the question 4. This is reserved for you. Check that and let us know in the comment. So why, to explain in deeper why that communication between PC A and B and between PC C and D was possible to begin with, I will explain more in the next video. We will try to keep the video short for you to learn things quickly in the short term. All right? We will not make longer video, between 5 and 10 minutes. Okay? Let's see you in the next video. Sahelnetworks. Bye-bye.